Hi friends, I'm once again back with a new video on color psychology. Select the correct color to paint the house and I'm going to talk more about it in this video. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel Rami's Academy and hit on the bell icon and write a comment below. Friends, do you know actually the color psychology is a therapy? Which color to use in a house, it's up to us, and there are various meanings for it. Color brings brightness to our life, and here I'll be showing which color to paint in a house. And the colors over here to select, you can select any color. If at all you select blue color as a wall paint, blue color is believed to soothe illness and treat pain, and it gives a positive vibes to all the people who enters a house and who is living in the house. Blue color has been used in Indian houses for ages. People would mostly go for blue colors because it indeed brings positivity to the people in the house. So friends, if at all you want to paint a wall, at least one wall in a house, don't forget to paint blue color. Blue color is also called as grandma's favorite. I don't know why, but they do call that. If at all you come to know why blue color is called grandma's favorite, please write in the comment box and let me also know why it is called so. Now I'm going to talk about a beautiful color, yellow. There are a variety of shades of yellow. Yellow represents happiness, optimism and inspiration. Yellow color attracts finance or money in the house. So friends, if you need more money, paint at least one wall yellow. Try to paint the room yellow, which gets maximum sunlight. There should be direct sunlight entering into the room. Green color in a house brings freshness and hope. Green is often used to symbolize rebirth, renewal, and immortality. Green color freshens our mind. If you don't intend to color the room with green color, you may keep some fresh indoor plants in your house. I am sure you all love red color. Red has a range of symbolic meaning including life, health, war, anger and love. The main reason why red color symbolizes love and war is because the color of a blood is red. Red color is used to stimulate the body and mind and to increase the blood circulation. It is not advisable for the senior citizens to sleep in the room painted in red color. Beautiful color orange. $1 million question: is orange a fruit or a color? Orange color attracts feelings of excitement and warmth. Few people might associate orange color with the beauty of sunset, and very few people do not intend to color their houses using this orange paint, as orange is also linked to autumn, a season of dying leaves. So people do not want to use this color in the house at all. And some people associate orange color to pumpkins and Halloween. Different shades of pink and purple. The color pink is thought to be a calming color. Shades of pink and purple are colors associated with youth and beauty. The dark shades of pink and purple are hardly used in Indian houses to paint their walls. So friends, if possible, dark purple should be avoided in the living room as it is associated with sadness and mourning. So friends, you must have already decided which color to select for your house. If so, hold on. One last advice is coming to you from me. First, take some time and check out which side of your house does the sun rise. Once you find that, then select the correct color according to the direction of the sun. If the main door of your house is facing directly towards the sun, use white color in that room. Or in the direction with northeast or northwest, you can use different color. For example, northeast you may use yellow color as well as light shades of yellow, and northwest you can use silver or grayish silver. You may paint with shades of blue to the rooms facing towards the west, exactly opposite to the east. This method of painting is age-old system of Vastu and it is a modern approach of painting. check out for the chart given over here which you can see and write in the comment box. Comment and write to me in which direction is your house facing and which color you have selected for your house. So select the right color for your house and make your home the happiest place to stay. And hope this video has helped you. If so, please subscribe my YouTube channel and encourage me to bring some more videos.